Hello, it's good to have you here. You do not need to be different to begin this moment. You can move forward exactly in your own time. Now find a position where your body can rest, maybe sitting, maybe lying down, without effort. Allow your body to find its own way to settle. If it feels right for you, gently close your eyes. Breathe slowly, feeling the air come in and go out. Once again, inhale and release calmly. Here, you do not need to prove anything. You do not need to show strength. You do not need to defend yourself. You can simply be. Now bring your attention to your body. Feel the weight being supported, the support beneath you. Gravity caring for what no longer needs to be held. The shoulders can soften. The jaw relaxes. The breath finds a more natural rhythm. The body begins to perceive. Now it is safe. Perhaps, little by little, it becomes possible to approach an old sensation. A sensation of having needed to shrink, to adapt, to contain yourself. Maybe no image comes, maybe only a feeling. That is okay. You are not going back to suffer. You are going back with resources, with presence, with emotional maturity. The wound of humiliation often begins in moments when something in you was exposed, ridiculed, diminished, or devalued. Moments when you felt you needed to hide so you would not be hurt again. Maybe this happened in childhood, maybe at school, maybe in adolescence, maybe already in adult life. The body learned, if I show myself too much, I'm in danger. Breathe and simply acknowledge this without judgment. Now imagine, only if it feels right, a younger version of you. It may be a small child, an older child, a teenager, or even a version of you already grown who went through a significant experience. Observe this version for a few moments. Notice the posture, the expression, the way they take up space. Maybe they seem withdrawn, maybe rigid, maybe trying not to draw attention. This part is not weak, it is sensitive. It tried to protect itself the only way it knew how. Humiliation does not only wound pride, it wounds dignity. It wounds the right to exist naturally. Perhaps it is possible for something new to happen here. Not only to remember, but to repair. Allow your adult self today to approach this younger version on the same level, without superiority, without rush. Maybe you sit beside them. Maybe you open your arms. Maybe you simply remain present. Let them notice that they are not being watched, evaluated, or judged. They are being seen with respect. And now, with gentleness and truth, allow yourself to offer what was missing in that moment. There is nothing wrong with you. You are not smaller. You do not need to shrink to fit. What happened does not define who you are. It does not define your worth. It does not define your dignity. You can take up space. You can exist. You can be seen. You deserve respect. You deserve care. You deserve to belong. Right now, you are not in danger. Right now, someone is with you. Right now, you are protected. Allow these words to move through the body of this version. Notice how they respond. Maybe they relax a little. Maybe they straighten their posture. Maybe they simply breathe more deeply. Remain for a few moments in this contact. Feel how something begins to reorganize inside. Not because the past was erased, but because it is no longer alone. This is the new imprint. The wound of humiliation does not define your essence. It may have shaped defenses, silences, excessive caution, but it also developed sensitivity, perception, depth. Today, something important happened. You restored dignity to a part that learned to hide. Allow yourself to feel your body now, more present, more whole. The support, the breath, the space you occupy. This inner place can be accessed again whenever you need it. Slowly, begin to notice the sounds around you, the environment where you are. If you want, move the fingers of your hands, your feet. And when it feels like the moment, open your eyes gently. Remain in silence for a few moments before continuing with your day.